You to watch me to roll. What should go wrong? Oh Lord. Hello everyone. It feels great to be back in front of my mirror. It feels great to be back in my shabby salon. What was that? So it might look a little different here, but it's actually still the same. I'm gonna sit here in front of the mirror and I'm gonna dye my mother flippin' hair. I might sound a little sick, that's because I am. So let's all hope I'm not gonna sneeze too much in this video because I can guarantee for nothing. But guys, I can't just have the same hair color. It's just fucking boring and I'm sad because at some point in my life I'll have to keep the same hair color. Like I can't be dyeing my hair forever and we all know that. But right now I can still do it, so I am gonna do it. Actually, it's not like my hair is damaged, it's more like my scalp is damaged. Like I have so many dandruffs and they're so huge and so gross, so please don't go too close to your screen because then you might see my dandruffs. So let me give you a quick hair update. What's been going on? Oh, that's a look. Oh my god, imagine I would have this kind of haircut. Yes, pixie cut Naomi. Who dis? Pixie cut Naomi. I would literally never dare to get this haircut. Never in my whole life. Like, no. Not even for $100,000. Well, actually, could use some money to get rid of my dandruffs. Let me show you what my hair looks like right now. I cut my hair shorter and I still got me bangs, which I've never thought I would still have. Like I literally thought I would let them grow out like right after I cut them, but I've been having them for a little bit more than a month. When did I dye my hair pink? I have no memory. So as you can see, my hair is actually not that bad. I know you guys are really concerned about the condition of my hair like all the time, and I can understand why. I know my hair the best and I try not to bleach it too much, only if it's like super necessary and my roots look like shit. And even then, I'm normally not even bleaching my hair. But yeah, it's actually doing really well right now and that is the perfect time to dye it again. You guys, sometimes I just miss the shabby saloon. Like it's a part of me and a part of me will always want to go there, even though I know how bad it is. Guys, my neighbor's playing the violin so loud. Is it a violin? It's literally David Garrett. She's not bad at it. Like I've heard worse violins. Anyway, so, I mean, you guys know I've been dyeing my hair a lot. So of course I've done blue, I've done purple, I've done pink and purple, I've done orange, I've done green, I've done pink and bangs. I am wearing the hair color I want to do today. Neon yellow. I don't know why I'm always telling it like this because you guys always read the title before you hear me talking. I just want yellow hair. Oh no, I forgot my Musical.ly hoodie. Where is my Musical.ly hoodie? This is a really sad message for us all, but I couldn't find my Musical.ly hoodie. I got a various mix of different yellow hair dyes. I got this Neon Moon from Arctic Fox, which is super neon. It looks like this. That might even look like the shirt I was just wearing. But unfortunately I got the small one, which is probably not going to be enough. So I'm going to mix it with the Directions Bright Daffodil. And I also got this Color Scream Explosive Play of Colors. I mean, it looks yellow. So what should go wrong? And of course I'm going to be mixing my yellow hair dye in a yellow bowl. So smart. I really hope my hair color right. I really hope my hair color right now is going to be a good base for the yellow because I feel like it's still a little bit too cool or purple. I even stopped using purple shampoo because I was preparing my hair for the yellow shade because I don't want it to neutralize. Okay, so this is all of the hair dye which I got out of the other bottle, which is definitely not going to be enough. I mean, I have short hair, but I feel like that literally just looks like I put some egg yolk in there. I just want to look at this color. Ooh, more like orange. That's weird. Me no like it is, me no like it is. That is a big ass bowl of hair dye. That is such a cool color. Oh my god. Hey guys, I think that is the color I'm gonna put on my head tonight. I can feel it coming on my head tonight. That sounded wrong. Oh Lord. I don't even have a comb for my hair makeover. I got a pink one and a green one because I only thought that would be fitting for my yellow head. I feel like I just want to put a big blob on top of my head so I know there's like no turning back. Yes, that is it. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is such a cool color though. That is not even piss yellow. I was like going for piss yellow. Why is it so neon now? Oh. I think I mixed way too much color though. Oh. I remember, don't worry. This is fun. So much fun. My hairdresser would be so proud. Look at this sectioning though. I mean, it's not good, but it's like the best thing I can do. Okay guys, while I'm spontaneously dyeing my hair neon yellow and my neighbor is playing the violin, I just want to tell you a little life update. Some of you know I've been doing my apprenticeship as a media designer for 3 years now. So I started with YouTube and my apprenticeship at the exact same time, which is crazy. Of course, like my apprenticeship is kind of my main profession and I'm just doing YouTube like in my spare time, but like I knew like very soon that YouTube is the thing I want to do, but still I didn't just want to like cancel my apprenticeship and just like stop doing it. I hate not bringing things to the end, and well, I'm talking like I already finished, but I literally just finished my exams and I don't know the results yet, so let's all hope this is gonna be good. But still, 3 years is still like a big span of time in your life, and I am 22 now. I've started my apprenticeship when I was 19 and I've grown so much, not physically, only mentally. I've always been small, and it's so crazy to just end this part of my life and start a new one where I can just do YouTube as my main profession and just focus on my content, focus on you guys, on my pictures, on my videos, and a little bit more on me, because the past 3 years have been really busy and I haven't been focusing on myself, on my mental health, on anything, because I've literally just been working 40 hours a week and then the whole weekend for YouTube, and that has been my past 3 years literally, and I'm so glad that it's ending, but I'm also really sad because I love my workplace, I love the people. I guess a new chapter of my life will now start, and I hope you guys still like me, even though most of you didn't even know about my apprenticeship probably. But so yeah, at the end of this month my apprenticeship is over and YouTube is gonna be my main bitch. I get so many questions, like if I think an apprenticeship is a good thing and if I would recommend it to other people. Of course, it depends on the apprenticeship, on the workplace, but in general, I really think it's a good thing and you can grow in so many ways. So if you have questions about So if you want to know anything about my apprenticeship and everything, just message me on Instagram and I'll try to answer. Because I really struggled a lot finding my apprenticeship and I'm glad I got it, but I know a lot of other people struggle as well, just like figuring out what they want to do in their lives. So I'm glad to help. Wow, that was really serious talk, guys. That normally doesn't happen often on my channel. I love being able to see what I'm doing in the back. I don't know what I'm doing. I can see my dandruffs. Oh, they're yellow now. Guys, can you see the back of my head? Can you tell me if I'm doing fine back there? Comment down below. Guys, look how structured I'm doing this. Structure the house. Structure the apartment. Structure the flat. It's so crazy to me that some Americans just don't know the word flat. If you don't know what it means, flat means apartment. It's just British English. Us Germans in school, we always learn British English. So that's why we also write color with OU instead of just O. And like just those tiny things, and I got so many followers just saying, this is wrong English. Wow, my neighbor is literally playing that violin for about an hour now. She's so motivated. I've been playing the clarinet for a couple of years when I was young. I was even playing in an orchestra, and I was not good or anything, but I was playing. But I never had the motivation to like practice playing the clarinet. I was more like, I'm just gonna play my clarinet quietly so they're not gonna hear me that well. So that's why I'm really proud of my violin girl playing right next to my room, just like a violin goddess. You go, girl. Okay, I think we got all the rootage. That looks messy as hell, but I did it with such a good structure. What is happening? Just gonna use my hands now because I'm unprofessional. I've literally been dyeing my hair like this since day one. Just like super big strands of hair, blobbing the color on there and then separating it and just looking out for some blank spots.
Brighter than the sun.
Well, that's true. Call me a bright daffodil, because that's the name of my hair color. Ew. Want a little souvenir? Okay, I guess I'm good. Yeah, you know.
Good measure.
Yes, that's so satisfying.
Rub it in.
I'm gonna show it to you tomorrow then. Oh, the mountain of pee-pee. Ooh. Am I a Teletubby yet? I'm Lala! Lala! Okay guys, it appears I actually did a great job putting that hair dye in and I haven't missed any spot. Big words for a small unprofessional. Anyway, I'm gonna let this soak in and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna come at you in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm not in focus. Oh my god! That is my shirt. Okay, my shirt is maybe a little bit brighter, but that's literally the same color. Literally the brightest color I've ever had on my head. And I've had some bright colors, let me tell you that. I don't know, I think it looks really cool in the mirror, but when I just walked over to get my shirt and I looked into the other mirror, I was like, oh, I think I need to see that in some daylight. Okay. What do you think? What do you think, my broccolis? I'm a broccoli on crack now. I feel like it doesn't even look that vibrant in this camera, but I swear it is. Ooh. I will see you again tomorrow when I'm gonna show it to Vincent, but well, goodbye for today, I guess. Of course, exactly when I started to film, the bell started ringing. While the bells are ringing, enjoy my nostrils. Sexy as fuck. Ooh. By the way, I can't wait to get that palette. Oh, it looks so good. But now let's see what Vincent has to say. Every time I saw him today, I was hiding my hair, so now I'm gonna reveal it. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, look at me!
Oh wow, that's so bright.
Yeah, look into the camera. It doesn't even look that bright on camera.
Oh, it looks so not bright.
Yeah, right? It takes away all of the brightness. I'm a post-it. Oh my god. Exactly the same color.
Oh, but it looks cool.
Yeah, right?
Approved.
How much time will it need to fade?
To
One,
wash it.
yeah, to wash it. I think that's it for this video. Also rate this hair color, give it a little broccoli rating, and tell me what was your favorite hair color I've ever had on my head. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on.
Snapchat.
And the Naomijon on
Twitter.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.